What's up, gang? Zach here from the Trading Network. I hope you guys are doing well. I have a quick video for you guys today. Just wanted to make an announcement that we have officially integrated a seamless free trial for the TTN Volatility Pack into our website, and I wanted to show you guys how you can take advantage of that. So essentially what this does is it will give you a download for the Volatility Pack. You install it just like any other indicator, and there is a 24-hour free trial integrated into the download. So you don't even have to give us your machine ID or anything like that. All you have to do is just go to this link right here that says get a free Volatility Pack trial. And that is, of course, on our website. You can go to thetradingnetwork.io, and there is a button up at the top that says Volatility Pack. Simply just click that button, and that'll take you to this page. And then once you click this button that says get a free Volatility Pack trial, you will then be navigated to this page. And this has some very simple instructions here. And it basically just shows you how to import a NinjaTrader indicator if you guys are not already familiar. But it's very simple. All you have to do is just go to Tools and then import the NinjaScript file. So I will show you guys that real quick. And I will show you guys what it will look like when you activate a free trial. Okay, so very quickly, I'm just going to show you guys how to import an indicator if you are not familiar. So what you want to do is you want to go to Tools, and then you want to go down here to Import, and then you want to click NinjaScript Add-on, and then that is going to bring up a file explorer. All you got to do is select the Volatility Pack trial download that you have downloaded from our website, and then you will get a pop-up that says the NinjaScript has been successfully imported. Then you will get a notification that looks like this. It is a vendor notification stating that your free trial license will expire on whatever, 24 hours after whatever date you install it on. So this is how it works. Essentially, as soon as you install it, NinjaTrader knows that you have a trial license, and it will let you use the indicator for 24 hours. Now, after your trial expires, all you have to do if you want to purchase the volatility package is go to our website, purchase the pack, and then you can email us at licensing@thetradingnetwork.io with your machine ID, and then we will turn your free trial license into a lifetime license for the volatility pack. So if you guys are not familiar, check out the last video that I posted. It is about a 15-minute video that explains the volatility pack in further detail, and it also shows several trade examples that you can use, or how you could use the volatility pack. And here is a beautiful trade example right here. Oscillators curling and crossing up right around some major levels, some moving averages. PMARP crosses the signal line to the upside at the same time, or right around the area that the BBWP crosses to the upside. So that is, just a quick example of a beautiful setup that you can use with these tools right here. But go back and watch the video if you haven't already. And if you want to try this out for yourself, it is yours for the taking. So go to our website, give that free trial link a download, and let us know what you think. We will be also offering free trials very soon to our entire proprietary indicator package. I know that that is something that has been requested for quite some time, and now we are grateful to have the opportunity to provide that for you guys, so even more people can try out our tools before they decide whether or not they are right for them. So really excited to announce these free trials. Stay tuned for a new video explaining how to download the TTN proprietary indicator free trial, which is not released yet, but we will release it very, very soon. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So I hope you guys enjoy the free trials. Please feel free to let us know if you have any questions at all about downloading the trials, if you need any assistance. If you guys have any questions about downloading the free trial, please feel free to drop a comment down below. You're also welcome to email us at info@thetradingnetwork, or if you are in our Discord already, you're welcome to just open up a support ticket, and we will help you as soon as we possibly can. With that said, if you guys would like to learn more about what we do at the Trading Network overall, please check out our website, thetradingnetwork.io, where in addition to the Volatility Pack, you can also purchase our most popular offering, the TTN Pro Trader Bundle, which includes lifetime access to our private Discord, access to our Fundamentals of Futures Trading course, as well as access to our proprietary indicator package. You can also purchase the Volatility Pack as an add-on to the Pro Trader Bundle. So if you are looking for basically the best bang for your buck, that is certainly what I would recommend checking out. So with that said, once again, you guys know where to find us if you have any questions. I greatly appreciate you guys liking, subscribing, and following the channel. And if you do want to get notified every single time we post videos here on the channel, make sure that you click that bell notification to be notified as well. Thank you guys very much. I will see you soon, and enjoy your free trials to the Volatility Pack. Cheers.